that the first time I heard about fundamentals and macroeconomics, I thought, boring. Looks hard to understand. Why do I even care about the economy? My guru told me you don't need fundamental analysis to be profitable. You just need an RSI. Sure. So I ignored it for longer than I'd care to admit. But then I met Jan Smolin. Jan Smolin is a 3 times world trading champion in the Robbins Cup, professor and PhD in finance, and now floor trader in a trading firm. And he explained me and showed me that 90% of the money in financial markets moves because of this. It's literally the most important thing you need to know in finance. It's the basics that every professional trader knows about, and not because it's just the analysis of reality and is historically extremely reliable, but also it's the main way that big banks, hedge funds, and all these big guys actually trade. Here's why. In every market, there is something called the order book, which is basically the menu of available liquidity in the market. Let's say, for example, this is the book of Bitcoin. If you want to buy Bitcoin, you can either make an offer to buy and put it in the book as a buy limit and put your 1 Bitcoin buying offer at the price of 98, for example, and wait for a seller to accept that offer. Or if you need to buy now, you can buy market and accept the best sell offer there is in the book. So this is like buying and selling passively. It's the so-called passive liquidity. This instead, these bubbles are aggressive liquidity. So if you buy at 98, you can buy at the price you want, but you have no guarantee that a seller will come because price might skyrocket all of a sudden. So if you want the guarantee that you're gonna buy, you're gonna have to pay a slightly higher price, 101. So here you will pay 101 and you will pay a little more than the best buyer. You will probably pay $1 more, and this is the so-called spread, right? So let's say the spread is $1, or let's say it's even $10, right? That's your cost of making a trade now. And for you, with your small trading account,